Yeah. All right. Hello, my friends in my cooking club. I'm so glad that you're here with me. I wanted to come out to the piggies out here and show you guys Hazel, that she just literally ran away to find another area. But you guys know Hazel. She's been with you throughout the whole cooking club, right? So we're going to see if she uses utensils here at dinner time and see if she can teach us any lessons and table manners. So let's check in on her. There she is. Hey, Hazel. Okay, are you using any forks? No. Oh, we're gonna use shoulders though to get in there. Is this how you guys eat at your table too? Come here, Hazel. All right, we'll leave you be. I don't know. I don't see any forks or knives. Not too many manners. Yep, just blocking the camera right off. Yep, oh, yep, There you go. All right. Thanks for being here with me, guys. I thought I'd just do a quick check-in throughout the cooking club here so you guys could come say hi to Hazel. If you have any messages or any of your favorite food you've been cooking, that's your little butt right there, I'll pass it on to Hazel. So let me know. Thanks, guys. See you later.